in the great room off of the kitchen, we actually did 2 seating spaces. So over here by the kitchen, we wanted to create a moment that would be a good spot for, cereal in the morning, coffee, something that would be a nice little nestled area. So this spot we created to feel connected to the main space, especially with the ceiling, but also a little bit different. So we did this slat wood ceiling, and we also incorporated these dramatic windows and then all of the furniture. So in here we have doors that open up to the outside, so you always have to be conscious of kind of how things are gonna open and function together. So we did this oval shaped table, we did more of a banquette type of seat, and I love the little leather details we put on it that then incorporate into these leather chairs. So these little things are the things that make this come to life. And also the one last thing I almost forgot, the lights. We did these honeycomb clusters of 3 that really kind of speak back to the kitchen pendants but have a life of their own. So this is our casual breakfast nook, but we also wanted to create a spot that felt a little more formal but still connected to everything. So we did this oversized dining area. Now we put this between the family room and the kitchen, and what I love about the overall design is that it feels elevated, but it also feels casual enough to really mix in with everything. So we did this extra wide white oak table with this groove detail on the legs. The chairs have this sling back and a really beautiful cushion, so comfortable. And all of it just feels really interesting in this space and connects all of them. I love that you can always play with having this extra space where you can have multiple seating areas within the same zone, and you can make it coordinate and feel individual at the same time. And let's not forget about the dramatic ceiling treatments that bring it all together.